friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making marinated olives and feta. For this super easy recipe, all we need is olives, feta cheese, and Italian dressing. So very simple. I'm just going to drain the can of olives. And I'll put them in a bowl. So these are whole pitted olives. And now I'm going to have this feta cheese. So I have the whole block and I'm gonna make it cubed. And sometimes they already sell it cubed, so I don't think I'm gonna use all of it. So just use as much as you'd like for this recipe. And I'm going to cut it in cubes and add it to the olives. And now let's add Italian dressing. And mix everything together. So now olives and feta cheese are coated in Italian dressing. And now the longer it sits, the more it marinates. So it's actually ready to eat right now, but you can also refrigerate it for up to a week. And when it's refrigerated, it develops a deeper marinated flavor. You can also add more dressing, totally up to you how you like it. So this is a perfect, easy appetizer. So just 2 minutes, no cooking needed. It looks nice to put on a table for a party, and it's so delicious. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love olives and feta. It's so delicious. Olives and feta cheese go so well together, and Italian dressing complements them perfectly. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!